How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over a new 4-color option we're offering in our MultiColor Virtue dash lights and traffic advisors. So here I brought our Virtue 4 and our Virtue 6 in our red, blue, amber, clear color setup. And you'll see that as an option on the color drop-down menu along with the standard dual and tri-color setups we have there as well. Or you can customize these units using our customization tool if you'd like to. Now with the multicolor functionality, you'll see that your units will flash back and forth between color A and color B. Now on these units, color A is red blue and color B is amber clear, and flashing together, you'll see that you get the red blue amber clear color effect. Now I do have my units in their multicolor flash patterns, but you also have the ability to run these units in color A or color B with the built-in flash patterns. So let's go over that feature. So on my Virtue 4 here, I went ahead and cycled to the red-blue flash patterns that you have programmed in your unit. So you'll see that you'll have 4 patterns in color A, and color A on this unit is red-blue. So you'll have pattern 1, pattern 2, pattern 3, and pattern 4. And then when you get past your color A patterns, you'll go to your color B patterns. Now here you'll have your amber clear, so you'll have pattern 1, pattern 2, pattern 3, and pattern 4. And then after those 4 flash patterns of each color A and color B, you'll go back to your multicolor patterns. Now on your Virtue 6 and Virtue 8 traffic advisors here, you have the same flash pattern functionalities here. So you'll have 4 patterns in your color A, and then you have 4 patterns in your color B as well. And then once you get past those patterns, you're back into your multicolor flash patterns. But additionally, on our Virtue 6 and Virtue 8 traffic advisors, you have the same multicolor functionality built into the traffic advisor here. So I'll use center out here for example. So you'll see that you'll have a color A and color B sweep flash pattern. So you have pattern 1, pattern 2, and pattern 3. And then you have 3 patterns in color A and 3 patterns in color B. Now on these units, you'll see color A is red-blue, so you'll have 3 patterns here, pattern 1, pattern 2, and pattern 3. And then you'll have 3 patterns in color B. So you have pattern 1 in color B, pattern 2, and pattern 3. And then when you get past that, you're back to your multicolor traffic advising flash patterns. And that goes for center out, left right, and right left as well. And you can program flash patterns for each of those modes along with your flashing mode if you would like to on the Virtue 6 and Virtue 8 traffic advisors. So that covers our new 4-color option we're offering in our multicolor Virtue dash lights and traffic advisors. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.